What is up, people? This is Ron Kamlia, your sneaker guy, and guys, yes, today we are going to talk about Runstar Hike and Runstar Motion. So, from the last time when I have unboxed the Runstar Hike, you can see that video here if you have not watched it yet, because that video is going crazy and you guys have loved it. So, since then, you guys have went crazy in my DMs because a lot of you guys have loved that sneaker and wanted to buy, but that sneaker was out of stock, unfortunately, then, and that particular colorway is out of stock right now as well. So this video is going to be a kind of a update over Runstar Hike and Runstar Motion, and we are going to unbox the Runstar Hike as well, because unfortunately I had to get that same exact colorway because I don't own my that pair right now, so I had to get a new one. There were some reasons for that, but nevertheless I got that pair again, and I'm going to show you all 5 Runstar Hikes which are available right now and you can buy it. So yes, let's not waste any of the time and let's dive into the video. So starting the video with the unboxing, and here is the box, and we are not going to like do the unboxing thing and review the sneaker, something like that, because you guys have seen this sneaker. And I got this sneaker again from Ajio, and last time also I had bought this sneaker from Ajio as well. So this is the sneaker, you guys have already seen it, so nothing special about it, but yes, it is beautiful. It is damn beautiful, and for some reason I don't own my old pair, and it was sad and I was missing this pair a lot, but now I own this pair and it is a beautiful sneaker. So yes, no complaints about that. And this is a UK 7 because these restocked few days back in women's sizing, and I got a pair and it is sold out now. I had to put this sneaker today in the list, but when I was making this video, that is right now, I just saw and it is out of stock, so it is a sad thing. But nevertheless, I have some beautiful colorways in the list, so I hope you guys will like that. And talking about this sneaker, it is a beautiful sneaker, and if you guys have not seen my older video where I unbox this sneaker and do a detailed review on this, you guys must watch this sneaker because this has some crazy details like this and many more things. So watch that video if you haven't. And yes, let's not waste our time on this sneaker, and let's get into the list because there are some fire sneakers in the list. And keeping this aside, so let's see the top 5 list of Runstar hikes which are available right now. So yes, before starting with the list, as you guys know, this won't be in any particular order. These are just 5 Runstar hikes I wanted to share with you all, not a sponsored video as well. So Converse doesn't sponsor me, unfortunately. So yes, starting off with the first sneaker, and this is my favorite sneaker from the list. So yes, starting off with Converse Runstar Hike in this baby pink colorway, and this is such a clean colorway. I just loved it. I don't know why. And a lot of you guys, especially boys, don't like to wear pink. I don't know why. Pink is such a beautiful colorway, and colors are always unisex. It's not like only girls wear pink or only boys can wear this particular color. It's like anyone can wear any of the colors, and same goes with the sneakers as well. And these are all kind of women's sneakers, but as you guys know, you can wear anything, so I have listed them. You will get this only in women's sizing, that is UK 4 to UK 7. So if you are a UK 8, you can still get a UK 7 and try it for yourself, because I am a UK 8 and I am wearing a UK 7 Runstar Hike and it fits me perfect. It's like very slightly small, but it's like very comfortable, so it doesn't matter, as I already said. So yes, this will cost you 4,334 rupees, and you can just have a look at this colorway. It is so soft, it's so sweet, it feels like that, I don't know why. And it is a very subtle colorway as well. It's not that bright pink or something like that which will catch your eye, but it is very subtle, soft to the eyes. I like this colorway. So the second sneaker is Converse Runstar Hike in this print. I don't know exact name of this sneaker, and there was no official name I can find for this sneaker, so I'll call this printed Converse Runstar Hike, something like that. And the print on this is so beautiful. It is like kind of light gray colorway, and it's not exact white, so you can see that here on the sneakers. It has that yellow star on the back, so it gives a unique vibe to it, and I love this color as well. And this will cost you 4,143 rupees. So these are all discounted price, because Runstar Hike usually retails for 6,500 rupees, I believe. So yes, it is an expensive sneaker, but you will get it at a discounted price if you go right now on the links. So the third sneaker is Converse Runstar Hike Ghost Green. I personally don't like this colorway a lot because I don't know, it doesn't attract me somehow, and it is my least favorite from this list. But it is not like you can't get it, because every person is different and everyone's choice is different. So if you like this colorway, you can get it for 3,551 rupees. This is the least expensive sneaker. I guess, from the high tops. So yes, this is the least expensive in the high top, and as it is a black, so you can wear it with anything. So yes, if you like this, go on the links, you will get this sneaker. And now coming to the fourth sneaker, that is a low top, that is Runstar Hike low top in the white colorway, which I have, but I have the high, so this one is a low top, and it looks very beautiful. It is like very subtle, it is like very strong at the same time, and it has that rugged vibe to it. It's not like boots, it doesn't feel like a boot, it doesn't feel like something heavy on feet, but it is still a Runstar Hike, so it is still a wild sneaker. So yes, this will cost you 3,358 rupees only. So yes, it is a very good price for this one, 3,300 rupees. So great price. And for the last sneaker, this is again a low top sneaker, and this is in the opposite colorway and the most famous colorway of Runstar Hike, that is the Runstar Hike lows in the black colorway, and this will cost you 3,328 rupees. So yes, again a beautiful colorway, but this is little cheaper in price than the white one, but it is a beautiful colorway, you can get it. And in low tops, personally I like the black one, but in high tops I like the white one. So yes, a different taste, but this is such a clean colorway. I like this sneaker. It has pretty good quality of the canvas. It is comfortable as well, because it feels like it is not comfortable, it looks like that it is so damn heavy or something like that. But yes, it is a heavy sneaker, but not an uncomfortable sneaker. So yes, they are two different things, and I liked them all. So if you like any of the sneakers, you can go in the description and check it out. And now talking about the Runstar Motion, I wanted to give a quick update on that, because they launched few weeks ago, I guess. So yes, they launched few weeks ago, and it is the wildest sneaker. I used to think that Converse Runstar Hike is wild, but no, Runstar Motion is the wildest, craziest, and more different words you can find, you can put them, because this is a crazy sneaker. You can see the pictures here, and I had already told you guys that these were going to launch in this month, and this did launch. So it is a crazy wild sneaker, but unfortunately you can just buy this sneaker in UK 4 to UK 7, that is women's sizing. And I wanted to buy this sneaker, but the problem is not the sizing, the problem is where to buy. So for now they are not going to launch it on any of the websites like Ajio, Amazon, Flipkart, somewhere like that, because Converse just decided to launch it in store, and unfortunately Pune doesn't have a store. So Pune people, I'm really sorry, we can't buy this sneaker at all. And if you guys have some friends in Mumbai, Bangalore, somewhere like that, you guys can tell them to get you a sneaker, but it is a fire sneaker, trust me. And Converse, please don't do this with us. We need a store in Pune, please, please, please. We need a store in Pune of Converse, and if we get, I'll do a vlog there, maybe. So yes, that was just a quick update on Runstar Motion as well. And if you are UK 8 and you still like the Runstar Motion, you can go with UK 7 and you can get that sneaker, because that sneaker fits well, and you have to go one size down in Runstar Motion, because that is a huge sneaker. It looks huge, and they are available in 3 colorways right now in India, that is beige, black and white. So I loved them all, but my most favorite is black one in Runstar Motion. So yes, that was a quick update on that, and here we'll end our video. So yes, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Do like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new to this channel, because I make this kind of contents all the time. And one more thing, if you have not watched my last 3 videos, that was all on New Balance. I had shown top 5 sneakers of New Balance you can buy right now. I unboxed 2 of the craziest New Balance. So yes, watch that videos, because you guys were waiting for New Balance videos, and I have made 3 videos back to back on New Balance. So yes, watch that video as well. So finally, thank you for watching this video. See you next time in the next video. Peace.